Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make Canva animation on click. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, open your Canva design. Okay, after opening it, just select the element, text, or whatever you want to animate. Okay, I'm going to select whole page. Now, just go over here on animate on top. In here, select the animations. Okay. Now here, make sure you have enabled this option, appear on click. Okay. Now just go over here on share on top right corner and click on see all and just select present. Now click on present. Okay. Just see the magic. As you can see, the text and elements are appearing on click. You can also do this with one text or element. For example, I'm going to select this object right over here, this dinosaur. Now just click on it, go again on animate and select any animation and click on appear on click. Okay. So that's it for the video. That's how you can animate animations on Canva. Thanks for watching.